Hello, I'm Lady Aska, and today I want to talk about using the RealToonShader with your Vroid model, where to get it, how to apply it, and how to use it with VSeeFace. Because shaders were not really designed for VTuber models and are usually only used in game design. To use it for your Vroid model, we have to use Unity version 2019.4.3f1, the UniVRM plugin 0.92.0, and the current SDK plugin, which at the time of this video was version 1.13.37b. The links are, as always, down in the description. After importing both plugins, you will drag your avatar into the bottom assets and into the sample scene. You have to buy the RealToonShader first in the Unity Asset Store, and I recommend to watch this video here first so you can decide if it's worth it for you or not. I found the price to be quite high for a shader and got it during the 50% off sale they held in April this year. To import the shader into Unity, you log into the store and go to Your Assets and simply press Import. This will copy everything into a little extra folder called RealToon. On import, you also get a little info message that advises you to read the information texts on how to install the shader, especially if you use Vroid standard shader. In the RealToonShader folder, you go to RealToonShader Packages and there into the built-in RP folder. Here you will find two packages, one for Unity version 2018 and below, and one for 2019 and above. We will of course use the latter and install this package. This will add a new menu point under Window, which is simply called RealToon, which contains the shader swap tool, which was especially included in this package to make the swap as simple as possible. And the tool is super straightforward. You only switch to your materials, select all materials or only the materials you want to swap, and then just use the VRM Vroid option and press click to swap to RealToon. And everything is done automatically after that. You can even see the difference right away on the model. Now, if you would try to export as a .vrm, this is what would happen, and it's pretty hilarious once you pop it into VSeeFace. Which means we have to use the SDK plugin this time for export to enjoy our new look in VSeeFace. But as you see, we have some pretty harsh white outlines, and the coolest thing about the shader is that you can change the outline color for each of your materials individually. There are also other options that you can try out to customize the look even further. And with that, we get this beautiful, slightly more 2D look on our 3D model. We also have dynamic shadows now, as you can see when I move the model around. Not all models look good with the shader, so I recommend this especially for people who want to emulate a certain look and aesthetic. Hey, Future Aska here! As a few of you may have realized, this video was released with a bit of delay this week, because I had something that was bugging me during recording, and I couldn't figure out what the problem was until today. Since this may happen to you as well, I wanted to add this bit of information. During recording, I had my white-haired test avatar in, and when I transported him over to VSeeFace, I could see already that something was wrong in the preview. And the avatar didn't show up either after. To fix this, you would have to make sure that the avatar is always above the grid in Unity. You can manually adjust the position in the inspector and just make sure there are no negative values in it. I hope you have fun with the shader. See you guys next time. Hope you have a wonderful day.